What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Jupiter, which has dropped about 12% in the last 24 hours, currently sitting at just below 0.005 cents. So we're going to be looking at, because it's dropped in value, is it time to buy the dip? Is it going to drop further? Should you wait? Should you sell it? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view. And of course, we are coming to the end of the year with a couple of days left, guys. Going into 2023, is Jupiter a must-have crypto in your crypto wallet? Should you invest into it or should you avoid it? And looking at its predictions in 2023, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and looking at, is it going to give you a decent amount of return on investment? But before I go into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just over 2% in the last 24 hours, which is not good. And Jupiter is one of the top losers in the last 24 hours. As you can see, the second top loser according to Coinbase. So in the last hour, it has dropped 2% in value. Over the last day, 13%. Major drops here exactly 24 hours ago. Over the week, it is overall just about 3% up. It's been very volatile. As you can see, major increases in value yesterday, but ever since then, it has dropped in value. And over the month, it is an overall 13% up. And again, this crypto just keeps on proving that it's been very volatile. As you can see, earlier on in mid-December, had a major increase, about 70%, 90% even increase in value, hitting 0.008 cents, drop back down, and right now pumping up in value and then drop back down again. So yeah, it's been up and down all over the place. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 67% in the last 24 hours, making it just about $603,000. Only reason for that is, yes, yesterday did have a pump up in value, so we did see a lot of people investing, buying, selling, a lot of trading. However, because it's dropped in value, not many people are starting to trade it anymore. They're just holding on to what they've got, or they're just waiting for it to drop even further before investing into it. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jupiter at 0.005058 here in purple. However, we can see it trading at a slightly lower value here in red at 0.004834, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. But then again, there isn't a huge difference between those values here. It's very, very close. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, just a little disclaimer, guys. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see here the blue and the orange line are both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, just about slanting, meaning an overall drop in value is expected over the coming hours. So more decreases are expected, more red candlesticks are likely to appear over the next 12 to 14 hours. So early hours of tomorrow to midday, tomorrow midday, we should expect Jupiter to be trading at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. Again, it's not going to be a major drop or a major decrease in value or anything like that. We are going to see green candles in between. We are also going to see red candles, but this just means the red candles are going to overtake the green ones, meaning an overall drop in value is what we should expect over the coming 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, we're not looking too bullish or too bearish. In fact, we've got both the blue and the orange line flat out going in a straight line. They're not looking bullish or bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming days. So I'm talking about over the next 7-8 days. So by this time next week we will be in 2023. So guys, the start of the year seems to be neutral at what it's worth at the moment. And again, going back to the Coinbase website, we can see that even in the last week he's only had a 3% increase, which is not much. As you can see, it's been trading at a similar value that it was worth at about a week ago, and over the month, as you can see guys, it's been very volatile. So again, yes, I'm expecting it to more or less keep on going in a volatile direction. It's going to have green days, red days, up and down, but the overall outcome over the next 7-8 days seems to be neutral. So again, fluctuating at its current price range. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we are not looking too great. I was expecting a little bit more bullish lines going in a positive direction. However, as you guys can see here, it is still looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the coming weeks. So I'm talking about mid to late February 2023, we should expect Jupiter to be dropping in value. Again, minimal drops in value every week does add up. So yes guys, I'm expecting it to drop down to around the 0.004 cents target, somewhere in between there in mid to late February. But again, this depends on how the crypto market performs. Of course, 2023 has not been too great for the crypto market. It has more or less been moving in a negative direction throughout the whole year, including Bitcoin dropping, from $60,000 all the way down to $16,000. I did not expect it to drop that much, but hopefully 2023 we should see more green candles, more pumps, more all-time highs. And if that is the case, if we do see more pumps and bull runs and so on, that is going to have not just a major impact on Jupiter but the whole crypto market in general. However, it can go either side. If we do see crashes and so on, then we are going to see major drops in value on Jupiter and most cryptos as well. Anything like that, I will try and keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. Unfortunately, there isn't much we can do here. As you guys can clearly see, we are not even close to the green side or the resistance target here. We're going to have to at least about 3 cents to hit that, and at the moment we're not even trading at 1 cent, not even half a cent at the moment, meaning we're gonna have to go for a major increase for us to even hit the green resistance target here, which I'm not expecting from Jupiter anytime soon. It's going to have to go through around a 700 to 800% increase. Not going to do the maths right now, but yeah, somewhere around there, which I'm not expecting. So again, very likely for most of 2023 we are going to be stuck in the red zone, but that doesn't matter guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in the upwards direction, heading towards the green zone, we should be good to go. But at the moment, it's very likely we are going to be stuck in the red zone for at least the next 12 months. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jupiter guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations are. What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit? And again, what are your expectations for 2023, not just on Jupiter but the crypto market in general? Is it going to be a green year or is it going to be a red year for the crypto market? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and bearish on the crypto market. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.